Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Google Maps. So you press the three lines on the top left and then you go to your profile, and then you can right away tell others about yourself and the places you love there. Or you can, so example, this is going to be your bio. For example, you can just write what you like to do. So example, I love going on adventures. And then if I want to edit more, I go to edit profile, and then there I can edit name and photo, and then it will directly go to your Google account. And then just scroll down, and then there you can edit anything, and there you see the lock button or the, so that means it's only for you to see. And then there you can, so you can fill in the bio there or the one before I showed you. So example, hi, then press save, and then your bio is saved. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.